how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. So the process is very simple. It's only gonna take just a few minutes. So firstly, open up Shopify, and then after that, you guys are gonna see this particular dashboard. Now from over here, simply click on the left side, and then after that, simply click on recommended apps. After that, scroll down, click on Shopify App Store, and then after that, it's gonna take you over to the Shopify App Store library. Type in over here Facebook, and then type in over here Pixel. You might start seeing Facebook Pixel in the recent searches as well, and then after that, you guys will be able to get many different integrations of Facebook Pixel. Simply pick the one with the most positive reviews. So this one over here has the most positive reviews, so you guys should definitely pick this one. And then now from over here, simply add the application, and you will be able to start using Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.